How to use AI and Zillow to wholesale real estate and find deals that you can wholesale for free. I'm going to share my screen with you all and dive into ChatGPT and Zillow so we can find some wholesale deals. All right, so I'm here on ChatGPT. You're going to pick a city, whatever city you want to wholesale, and you're going to type in this prompt into ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, Gemini, whatever you want to use. I like ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna put find me proc investor special. All right, and then that's what I put into ChatGPT. They're searching the web, Atlanta, Georgia homes, over 75 on the market, 75 days. I can help screen distressed properties, and then this is what they're doing. Look at that. All right, so here's are some properties. It says investor special, description ready for updates, need some TLC. So for example, this is what I would do. Under 350K, category fixer-upper, market as a fixer-upper, requiring significant work, full rehab. So you see that they're searching the description. Another thing is, put beds and baths also. The public search results available to me don't reliably expose days on market for individual listings. To accurately 50 to 75 days, I would need access to the live MLS feed, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor results that show days on market. So that's what they said. But yeah, they still send some listings. So let's just click on one of the Redfins and see what is all about. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so fixer-upper homes. So they have just a list of fixer-upper homes, and it's just not one property, seems like. They just have a whole list of it once I click that. And they have the zip code and whatnot. So that's what they have here. And so look at this, you all. And then from here, let me see on Redfin, do they have a filter when they have days on market? Time on Zillow, let's say more than 60 days. Or time on Redfin. So this is what you all have right here. You see these boarded up house. This is probably a hood, so you don't want to be in the hood probably. But yeah, you have these different listings that you can gravitate to, that you can, see if you can wholesale. And so let's look at these different properties. These are pretty rough. A lot of these properties. So let's just click one of these houses and drill in a little bit more. So we have this one for 169. So I'm just going to click it. So you have that here. It's for sale. It's been listed for 64 days, 40 favorites. Let's see the school zones. So yeah, the school zones are pretty low. So that's why you have all of that here. It was relisted. So they have been trying to list it for a while, 180. So this is a deal that I think you can go in, TLC needed, sold as is, all of that. You'd love to see that. And then from there, what I would do is I would look at, 169. So there was one that sold 169. Seems like around the area. This is a comparable. Redfin estimate for this one is actually 157. So it's lower. So yeah, I think I would go pretty low with this. Obviously, it looks like it may need a new bathroom. Look at that. The tile is missing over there. So I'm just looking through the photos. It needs, some landscaping. It needs some, maybe to take the paneling out, new appliances, things of that nature. It's not a horrible property, it seems like, as long as the foundation is good. So from there, I would run my numbers. And so what I can do right here, I can say, okay, I'll just copy and paste this. So we're using AI and Zillow, AI and Redfin, AI and all these different areas to these websites in order to wholesale real estate. So from there, I would be like, okay, I found, okay. So I'm doing that. And then they said, okay, Redfin is roughly 170 to 225, but those are not renovated retail comps. So the ones that we saw, they weren't renovated, those comps. And so from there, based on photos attached, this looks like a light to medium rehab, not a full gut, right? We don't know about the foundation and bone, so they're able to see that just through the photos, and that's what we saw. So this is the power of AI, you all. So make sure you all take a look at that. So ARV is between 250 and 290. That's what they're actually estimating, even though they had some comparables right here, down here on Redfin, but they weren't renovated. So this probably sold 169, but it wasn't renovated. And it's 1.5 baths. So that's what is kind of difficult. I think if we're able to get it to the 2 baths, we can get it to maybe that 268, like it's listed right here. But anyway, so they think you can sell this for 250, between 250 and 290. Rehab, let's just say it's 60K. Holding, closing, financing. So you have all that. Desired flipper profit is this. So if the ARV is 275, the rehab is 50K. It costs 25,000. The profit is 40,000. For a maximum investor purchase price, they have to, the max they'll purchase this is at 160 right now. So it's at 169. So that's what they're estimating it to be. I think it'll be a little bit less than this because it's at 169 and there's still no bites. Let's see. So they changed it over a month ago, 169. So there's still no bites. So you have to go even lower. So, but this is still pretty powerful how they're doing this. So aggressive wholesale price. So 115 to 125, realistic wholesale, then they'll above difficult to leave. So what I do, if I were trying to wholesale the initial offer, I'll offer 120 and see what they say. One caution, the biggest unknown is the true ARV. In this area, values can change dramatically block to block. So that's what you have to understand. You have to understand the area. Is this a good area? Are there people, what's the scenario happening here and whatnot. But if renovated homes within a half a mile are actually selling for 325 plus, then this becomes a much stronger wholesale deal, but it's not selling. If renovated comps are only 250, then even 140 may be too high. So I think it is closer to 250. I think it would be lower, actually, maybe 225 if it's renovated nicely. So if it's 225, this would be less. So but I like this. I like around the 100,000 actually to 115. That's where I would put my offer price for this house. So yeah, this is what you can do. Just keep on doing that in your area. In with ChatGPT, all these AI models, you kind of learn what type of response it's going to give you. And so you kind of do the prompts accordingly. Like, okay, I know they're going to think this when I put this prompt. So let me just change this or clarify this point a little bit more. And so this is the process I would use to find deals, right? Work with the agent, say, hey, I'm wholesaling. Can we put this clause in the contract that this is an assignable contract? I have my buyers ready to see this property, boom, boom, boom. And you're able to offer a good price. But yeah, I think for wholesale, you have to be, for this property, you probably have to be closer to $100,000 for this type of property, or even lower. And like they say, block to block, this block can be a rough block. And we see these school zones, especially looking at the high school, 2 out of 10, pretty rough. So make sure you all look up all of that information. Hope you all enjoyed this video about AI and using the MLS, Zillow, Redfin in order to find wholesale deals. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.